What's up, guys? It's Grant and Bryce from Genie Motorsports, and today we are doing a Borla S-Type exhaust on Bryce's 2016 Accord V6. So let's get this started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to jack up the car.
Okay, tell me when.
Give it a little rev. All right, you're good. Alright, so we're getting these three off. Is this, we're just doing an axle back exhaust? So
Yeah.
This is the, Bryce, you can go ahead and tell them what it is.
This is a Borla axle back. I forget the product number, but that's about it. It's for the V6 Honda Accord 2016 Coupe. So yeah, we're throwing it on.
So this is the car without exhaust on. Go for it. You're good.
That sounds sick.
So
We gotta get that.
we just sprayed the nipples with WD-40 and just pushed them off. So now we're gonna put these new gaskets on the new exhaust and then put it back on and we should be done. So bolts are back on. This is a 5/8 bolt to connect the pipe. We're taking off everything now. Looks good under here. Let's get out from the car and take a look. So exhaust is on out here. We'll lower this jack and see how we look. Right, we're going for a startup here. Let's take a listen. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Bryce and I install a Borla axleback exhaust on his Honda Accord. It sounds pretty good, especially in VTEC. It sounds pretty nice. Anyways, my name is Grant and this is Genie Motorsports. Come for the installs, stay for the vlogs. Bye guys.